we have the BTC Futures ETF. Now, is that going to result in Bitcoin getting hammered? Probably not. But could it result in Bitcoin just sitting around, doing nothing, going down 5%, printing 54K, annoying everybody? Yeah, maybe. Because I don't really understand why everyone's buying SHIB and Bitcoin can't get through 65K. I mean, the Fed came out yesterday and basically said, we're going to be irresponsible and not talk tough on inflation. So equities rallied, but ironically, the dollar went up because I think the financial system is like, I don't know if that was the right trade. That scares me. And when I'm scared, I buy the dollar. So the dollar went up, not that much, but what's up with Bitcoin? Like, why isn't it smoking to the upside? I just saw a report from a major crypto exchange that said up, up, and away. Well, I certainly hope that if you're watching this presentation 4 days from now, Bitcoin's at, 75K. Crypto Twitter is talking about a 10K up day candle, like 10K in 1 day, giant green candle coming soon. Okay, cool. I work at a crypto company. I would love to see that. But show me the money. Where is it? It's not happening. The Fed gave you a reason to do it, and it's not happening. So what's up with that? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's going to happen before the live stream's over, and I'm going to look like an ass for questioning it. But I do think we are at the point in the crypto market where you need to be asking yourself, what's moving? Why is it moving? What do I own? Why do I own it? What am I going to do if it goes down? And what am I going to do if it goes up? Because the flip side to what I'm saying about Bitcoin, if we go to the next chart, is this is Bitcoin futures stalling at a major Gann line and resistance at 64K. So you also have to ask yourself, all right, so I want to make sure I don't get hosed, but I also want to make sure that I'm involved if it goes parabolic. In other words, if the crypto exchange is right, if crypto Twitter's right, this is going to 75K all in 1 day. I want to have positions that I'm not going to get killed in, or I want to try to buy a dip so that if it does go crazy on the upside, I participate, I'm involved. So I'm taking risk, but I'm doing so wisely. Let me say that again, wisely, because I sense SHIB has given everybody a lobotomy, which means that the overall crypto IQ out there has dropped because everybody missed SHIB. So don't let that screw up your Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. Now, with that lecture out of the way, there really isn't a whole lot of resistance in ETH, I don't think, until 5,900. So based on what's going on with the supply of ETH, based on the fact that there's more than likely going to be another wave in NFTs when Coinbase launches its NFT product, there is clearly a bullish narrative for ETH. There's also a narrative for ETH to outperform Bitcoin. Now, one thing you just have to keep in mind, a rally in ETH makes sense. It makes so much sense, it's taking a while to get going, because a lot of times when everybody expects the same thing for good reason, it can be really annoying sitting around waiting for it to happen, because the only way to get people out is through boredom. So I don't recommend getting bored out of a trade in ETH. Dips are probably to be bought even if they're nasty. And I would also raise the possibility that if there is a down move, it may be Bitcoin that gets hammered and ETH holds up. It's maybe not totally likely, but clearly possible, because ETH is way overdue to outperform Bitcoin.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.